In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Starling bank account to Xero in just 5 minutes. First things first, you'll need to log into the Xero accounting software. This is your starting point, so make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're on the Xero login page, simply hit the login button to progress further. You'll arrive at the login screen where you should input your email and password. This step is crucial because it provides access to your Xero dashboard, which is essentially the control center for managing your financial data. Once logged in, the next step is to navigate to the dashboard. This can be done by clicking on the dashboard link, which should be visible upon login. The dashboard is where you have an overview of your financial activities, providing a great launching pad for the task we're undertaking. Now, with the dashboard in clear view, you'll want to move on to the Accounting tab, click on Accounting, and it will reveal several options. Your focus should now be on the Bank Accounts option, so go ahead and select that. This will bring you to a list of bank accounts currently linked to your Xero account. Here you'll see an Add Bank Account button, and that is your next click. A new page will open, allowing you to search for and add a bank account. In the search bar provided, type in Starling Bank. After your search, a list will appear. From this list, select Starling Bank. It's essential to make sure you're linking to the correct bank, so double check the name. After selecting Starling Bank, it's time to agree to the terms by clicking on the Agree and Continue button. This confirms that you consent to sharing details between Xero and Starling Bank, enabling a smooth integration. Following this agreement, you will need to authenticate your Starling Bank login. Enter your Starling Bank login ID and password. Remember to keep your login details secure and confidential. Once your credentials are entered, simply click on Next and let Xero and Starling Bank do the rest. Your accounts will now be linked, providing the ability to import bank activity directly into Xero, making managing your finances not only easier but also more direct and organized. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully linked Starling Bank with your Xero account. This seamless integration means you can spend more time running your business and less time worrying about bookkeeping.